Hi, I'm Dr. Bindu Menon. I'm a neurologist from Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Nellore. May 17th, 2021 is World Hypertension Day. The theme for this year is check your blood pressure, control your blood pressure, and live longer. Hypertension is predominantly an asymptomatic disease that patients do not have symptoms for hypertension, and it is routinely checked on a screening examination. But then it is a silent killer, and it is also one of the major reasons for diseases like heart attack and stroke. So let us know how to prevent hypertension. Hypertension is high blood pressure. There are certain modifiable behavioral and lifestyle changes in ourselves which we can change and see that patients do not become hypertensive. One is diet, second is physical activity, then is your body weight, then cutting down on the smoke, tobacco use and alcohol. Let us look at diet. In diet, the major thing is salt. WHO recommends 5 grams of salt for an adult person. For an individual, 5 grams of salt, but studies have shown that in India, a normal household, every individual consumes around 10 grams of salt per day. This is because of the food habits that we have, which include chutneys, papad and pickles. It is very important that we consume only 5 grams of salt, and if a person is hypertensive, then the salt has to be still limited to 2 to 3 according to your physician. It's very important that schools, the school authorities see that in their canteen they do not keep packed stuff which contain lot of salt, and it is important that they keep the healthy diets, healthy food in their canteens. It's also important for the mothers to realize that when they are cooking food, that they should keep salt to the minimal and the table salt has to be avoided, so that children at that young tender age itself realize that the importance of salt and the taste buds get acclimatized to that. Have plenty of fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Also have polyunsaturated or monounsaturated fat for cooking. That is, try to replace your ghee to the other oils like olive oil or sunflower oil. Then comes the physical activity. You are recommended 30 minutes of walking, brisk or any form of exercise, and at least 5 days in a week. And if you're walking, the walking should be to a speed that you should be hard of breath, but you should still be able to talk. Even if you're not able to walk for 30 minutes, let us say you have a busy work schedule, it is important that even 10 minutes of walk in a day, 10 minutes of morning walk or 10 minutes of evening walk is going to have a cumulative effect on you. So it is important to start slow, go steady and maintain and touch up to the 30-minute walk per day. Check your body weight. All of us have phones with us, and you can check your body mass index, that is BMI calculator is there on your phone. Check with your doctor and see that it is in the range which is needed for your height and weight. Do not try to chase your weight. It is important that you remain healthy and you go slow. You may not reach the target level according to the BMI in a very short span, but then eventually, as you go forward, you will eventually reach it. Cut down on your tobacco, smoke or smokeless, and alcohol. There is something called a second-hand smoking, that if you're smoking, it is not only you who is getting the effect of the tobacco product, but it is the family members or the people around you. That is second-hand smoking. And there's something called as third-hand smoking. If you're smoking in closed rooms, and if you're smoking in your house, then the carpets, the curtains, the sheets, everything on which the tobacco products will linger for a long time, and children, if they're small kids and who are playing on the floor, can get affected to it. Stop the tobacco products and the harmful effects of alcohol. Sleep well, think well, and do not ignore your smoking as well. Do not get stressed. Having done all this, even if these risk factors, one is prone to hypertension, it is very important to check your blood pressure. It is mandatory that you check your blood pressure, and that is why we say that if you go to the hospital premises for any reason, if you have taken your patient, anybody for any other ailment which is not connected to your heart or your brain as well, get your blood pressure checked once. because, as I said, hypertension is asymptomatic. You can keep a digital blood pressure instrument also at your house. You can check it in the morning, you check it in the evening. If you find that your blood pressure is high, then kindly consult your doctor. All of us are going through very tough times, and we will eventually wade out of it. But in the meantime, watch your distance, wash your hands, wear your gloves and mask, and also watch your blood pressure. Have a nice day. Thank you.